Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today's video contains top 5 kitchen gadget everyday use that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. And subscribe now please. So let's start the video.
Number 1. The Garlic Twister 4th Gen, manufactured by Nextrend, is a kitchen tool that combines innovation and functionality to simplify the process of mincing garlic. Made from durable Triton material, this clear garlic twister is designed to enhance your cooking experience. With dimensions of 3L3W and weighing only 109 grams, 3.84 ounces, the Garlic Twister 4th Gen is lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle and store in your kitchen. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to your cooking space, while its dishwasher-safe feature ensures convenient cleaning after use. Nextrend has incorporated quality craftsmanship into the Garlic Twister, ensuring its longevity and performance. This product has received high praise from customers, with 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 5He380 ratings, highlighting its efficiency and reliability. Ranked number 534 in kitchen and dining and number 13 in garlic presses, the Garlic Twister 4th Gen is a top choice for individuals seeking a reliable kitchen.
Number 2. The adjustable mandolin by Vinipiac is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool designed for those who are looking to elevate their vegetable prep game. Made with high-quality stainless steel material, this mandolin boasts a sleek and durable design that ensures long-lasting performance. With product dimensions of 16.1 L, 6.9 W, 7.3 or H, the adjustable mandolin offers a compact size for easy storage and handling. The foldable feature adds to its convenience, allowing users to save space in their kitchen when not in use. Equipped with sharp stainless steel V-shaped blades, this mandolin guarantees precise and uniform slicing results every time. Whether you're slicing cucumbers, carrots, or potatoes, this tool can handle various vegetables effortlessly. Operating in a manual mode, the adjustable mandolin gives users full control over the slicing process, ensuring safety and accuracy. To maintain its sharpness and performance, it is recommended to hand wash the mandolin.
Number 3, the Aroma Housewares Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its 1.5 quart capacity and compact dimensions of 813D, 8.9W, 80H, this corded electric rice cooker is perfect for small households or individuals. Its sleek white color and aluminum construction give it a modern look that will complement any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its simple, one-touch operation, making it incredibly easy to use for anyone, regardless of their cooking expertise. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor the cooking process without releasing heat, ensuring perfectly cooked rice every time. Included with the rice cooker are a serving spatula and rice measuring cup, providing everything you need to start cooking right away. The 500-watt power source ensures efficient and quick cooking, while the 120 volts voltage is suitable for most households. This model, ARC363NG, is manufactured by Aroma Housewares, a reputable brand.
Number 4. The Oster Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines functionality and style. With its brushed nickel finish, this blender adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of this blender is its adjustable speed control and pre-programmed settings, making it easy to achieve your desired blending consistency for a wide range of recipes. The Oster Blender has a capacity of 1.5 pounds, making it suitable for blending various ingredients to create smoothies, sauces, soups, and more. Its compact product dimensions of 8D, 725W, 14.5H ensure that it won't take up too much space in your kitchen. Equipped with stainless steel blades, this blender delivers efficient blending performance while ensuring durability for long-term use. The corded electric power source with 120 volts ensures reliable and consistent power for your blending needs. With 7 adjustable speeds, you have the flexibility to customize the blending process based. Number 5. The KitchenAid 7-speed hand mixer is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool that delivers exceptional performance for both amateur cooks and professional chefs. With its sleek onyx black color and compact dimensions of 3.5D and 8W, 6H, This hand mixer is not only functional but also stylish. Crafted with durable stainless steel blades, the KitchenAid hand mixer ensures efficiency and longevity in all mixing tasks. The adjustable speed control feature allows users to customize the mixing speed according to their specific needs, providing precision and accuracy in every recipe. The push-button controls make this hand mixer easy to operate, offering convenience and user-friendly experience. Additionally, the KitchenAid 7-speed hand mixer is dishwasher-safe,